Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Cash App loans. Cash App allows its eligible users to borrow up to $200, but the feature has not been available for all of the states or the region yet. And there are certain criteria that users must fulfill in order to use the V feature. So what are the criteria? First, you must reside in the listed states. Moreover, you must deposit money regularly into Cash App to pay your monthly utility bills. In simpler terms, you need to have a good transaction history with Cash App, and a regular money transfers between you and other users can increase your cash borrow eligibility. And also you need to have an activated cash card. If you have not activated your cash card yet, this is the perfect time for you to activate one of the cash card. And also you need to have a positive credit history. If you do not have a good credit history, Cash App will allow you to use the bottle feature. And if you are eligible to use the borrow feature, you can find it on the home screen or of the banking screen. Just hit the option of unlock to make a loan request as soon as possible. They will decide how much you can take, and your eligibility is according to how much you deposit regularly. And after that, you can type the amount that you want, and first step is to read and accept the loan agreement. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can unlock Cash App loans. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.